hurry. Give Daddy thumbs up. No, Daddy. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday. We just came back from church. We had a bite to eat, and you guys are watching us on our new Canon S120. The G7X officially has broken. The record button, we couldn't fix it yesterday, so we saw this camera here at Best Buy. Apparently it's been discontinued at a lot of places. We ended up getting the demo, like the display, and we have 14 days to like try it out, make sure that everything's working well. But while the G7X is going to be out for repairs, this is what we'll use. Oh Jesus! Wow! Now we're heading over to a nice little farm, and yeah, there's like pumpkin patches, hay, rye things, but we'll take you through the whole thing. So here we are, guys. Noah's checking out the first set of animals. We're still on the outer side of the farm. It's pretty cool. Oh look, there's a horse couch over there. Go sit beside Daddy. No fear. What sound does a horse make? Neigh. Yeah. He hasn't even gone inside yet. Give Horsey a hug. Oh. Do you see it? He's like, Dada, I've never been on this kind of road. Oh, you found his other hat?
Yeah.
Yeah, chicken.
See chicken, Noah? You want to come say hi?
Go say hi.
Let's go say hi to the chicken.
Wait. What happened? You don't want to see the chicken? Are you scared? Hi, buddy. Oh my goodness.
Sit on the back. Sit on the back. I'll bring you to.
Whoa, you're driving. Look at Dada. Look over there.
Nana. Oh, come, buddy.
Ouchie.
Yeah.
Yay, good job, buddy.
Oh, big guy. Yeah, they're running. Noah, did you see the goats?
He's so saying something right now.
Everybody, huh? Yeah, let's give some to this guy.
Oh my God.
Oh, they know I got food now. Noah, come. Come, buddy.
That's the same one.
The same guy. He's committed. Does mommy want to try?
No. That's disgusting.
There you go.
Hi! I can only imagine how this guy would have parked if he had parked right beside me, if I wasn't like putting my groceries away. He had so much room. You serious?
And when you're done recording this,
Yeah. Noah, can you see? You're such a character. Say cheese, buddy. Just thumbs up. Look at Daddy. He's looking at you, Daddy. Look at Daddy. Whoa, you're driving. Look at Daddy. Hurry. Give Daddy thumbs up. No, Daddy.
Did you change gears? You're going too fast for first gear. Yeah, let's switch it back. Oh, there you go. That's actual gear.
So guys, we are back at the farm. It is a beautiful day, guys. Like beautiful. I'm wearing a vest. Jordan's wearing a jacket. Noah's obviously wearing a jacket and toque. But like the sun is shining. It is popping here again. Guys, this farm is beautiful. Like it's beautiful. There's a lookout point up there. I don't know if Jordan and Noah will make the trek up, probably. And then a tractor just left. I think we're going to be doing that next. Jordan wanted to climb up that hill and take a picture up top, but there's like 1,000 kids now. Daddy is gonna go on the tractor. Hold on. I think Noah wants to go with. Noah.
Oh, look at mommy. Look at mommy. That's what's driving us.
Is this your first tractor ride? Yeah. Is it fun?
Noah.
Noah.
That's gonna be it for this vlog. A lot of farm fun on this one. It was our Thanksgiving. We didn't really get to film too much over like our family dinners. We went to my family's and then Ernan's family, just because they're very they still don't know about our YouTube thing, and they're all kind of private people. So out of respect for that, we didn't film anything in that. But it was good. Food was delicious. We are filming on the new camera. This will be the first vlog on this camera, so I'm super excited for that, to see how that turned out. Catch you guys in the next one. I guess end the vlog right